Alright, y'all. It's here. It's here. Air Jordan 13 Ret. Air Jordan 13 Retro Playoff. Before I open the box, I gotta tell y'all, I got these shoes for my son. And it was Shock Drop. Nike sneaker app, Shock Drop. My boy texted me, I hurry up, and I got them for my son. And then I called my wife, I said, get them for me. What size you wear? I wear 11 and a half. And she got them. It went through. I say, send me a screenshot. I want to, show my partner that, that I got them, that I hit for me. And I think she knew she messed up. She said, you said 11 and a half. She got me 11 and a half in women. Because on Nike sneakers app, it say 10, M10, W 11 and a half. I said, you supposed to get 11 and a half in men. I'm sorry. When they came in, we had to take them back. So we got our money back. So Hibbit, your boy hit on Hibbit. And I was like, man, I can't believe it. And these shoes, I used to have these shoes. Back in the day, I used to have these shoes, man. I'm happy. I'm so happy I have them again. Now, I'm not a huge fan of 13s. When it comes to 13, my favorite 13s is He Got Game. Okay? He Got Game, my favorite 13s. Well, let's go ahead and open the box, because I know y'all came to see what's in the box. All right? And if you subscribe, thank you. If you haven't, go ahead and subscribe. If you can, hit that like button. If you don't like the video, just double tap the down, thumbs down button. It's all good. All right. See your boy drinking on that goose. Drinking on that goose. Feeling good. Eyes red, a little low. Eyelids low. Here we go. And like I said, I already know what they look like. Shit, I already opened the box when I was in the car. So, but that's it right here, man. That's it, man. Again, my favorite 13s is He Got Game. But man, when it comes to these right here, you can't go wrong. All black. Damn, that goes anything, but yeah, man. And I don't have a lot of 13s in my collection, but before I show you the 13s that I do have, I'm gonna show you how the front look, the side, back, underneath. 13s is not a comfortable Jordan. I think a comfortable Jordan to me is Jordan 10s, Jordan 6. The 4's not, the 3's not that bad. I have Jordan 3's on right now. And the uncomfortable J's, 13s, the 11s, uncomfortable. So, I have a bag full of 13s, and I'm gonna just show you the 13s I have. The French Blue, He Got Game, that's my number one 13. This is the Brave Blue, and Cut Purple. These are all my 13s I have right here. I guess I'll tell y'all my top 3 J's. It's gonna be the 14, Jordan 14 Black Toe. That's my number 1 Jordan of all time. Number 2, the 11 Cool Grade. That's number 2. And number 3, I have to give it to Taxi 12. Those are my top 3. And then 13, probably number 4. He Got Game. Gotta be number 4, you know. But yeah, this is it. This is all my 13s. I gotta get some more clear boxes. From the Container Store, because your boy ran out of clear boxes. But yeah, the playoffs. Yeah, these shoes they dope, man. I thank God that I hit on them. I really like the shoe. I think it's dope. And again, they're not comfortable on feet. Not to me. I had a bad experience when I was younger when I had them at the Kappa Beach party in Galveston, man. Just walking for hours in these shoes, man, and just hurting my damn feet. But like I said, yeah, man, your boy got them, and I got them. I had to go pick them up in the hood. What's the name of that? City Gear? That's called City Gear, and it's a beautiful shoe. I went on StockX. I got the information from StockX, and the shoe is $235 as of the 18th. Today is the 18th. $235, size 11 and a half. That just let me know the resale value. That's not. It ain't. You know, the shoe sold out, but 11 and a half, $235. But the thing that's gonna get you about StockX is all those fees. You know, and then by the time you know, put that bitch in your cart, it's gonna be close to $300. So I'm glad I hit. If I didn't hit, I wouldn't even. This is not a must-have shoe for me. You know, it's I can live without it. But again, I'm glad I got them, because the other ones I had them. You know, the ones I used to have, I had them for a long time, and I heard them out. So that's it. That's it, man. So do y'all cut for these? Are they trash? Did y'all get them, or did y'all pass? Let your boy know down there in the comment section below. Alright? I'm out. Peace.